Hello, welcome to Eat Skinny Live. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a really simple chicken and red pepper tray bake. It's going to be really simple, really easy, and it should be done in around 30 minutes or so. So if you are strapped for time or you kind of want a bit of a simple meal, cook this one up. It is absolutely delicious. So today you want to use 4 chicken breasts. I've got 3 today, but this does serve 4 people. So you're going to grab yourself 4 chicken breasts, 2 red onions, some salt and pepper, some low-calorie cooking spray, 2 yellow peppers and 2 red peppers, some sprigs of thyme and 6 cloves of garlic. So you want to set your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you want to grab yourself a large baking dish so you can pop all of your vegetables and chicken into this when it goes into the oven. So first I'm going to start with the red onion, and what you want to do with this is you want to cut this up into eighths, into chunks, into eighths. It's really easy. Just chop this up. I always find chopping these in half first, really easy to take the skin off, and then I can chop it up into eighths once that outer skin has been removed. And then red pepper. I find the easiest way to chop these up is if you chop the tops off and then you can scoop out the middle, take the seeds out, and then it's easier to chop up. I'll show you. So you're going to chop the end off, so you're left with the seeds inside. Then using your knife, go inwards, go around the outside, and then you should just be able to pull that middle section out, leaving very minimal seeds inside, and then you can just give it a tap and they all come out. And that's the easiest way I found chopping up some peppers. And then I found with the lid, what you can do, give that a little tap, get the rest of the seeds off, just like that. And then if you give this a twist, that will come out, and then you can chop this up as well. So sometimes I leave the little pitty bits in there. You can choose to cut those out if you want. They don't really add anything. So yeah, just simply cut that middle bit out, just like that. Give it a little cut, and that comes out, and then you can just chop those up in strips as much as you can. So actually we've still got another 2 strips out of there and a few little extra bits. And then strip that one up. All good. And then do the same with the second one and all the other peppers. Okay, and a couple more ingredients left. So with the garlic, I'm just going to use the back of my knife and I'm just going to smash them. Okay, not going to crush them, just going to literally just smash them and then pop them in. So feeling brave, you can do more than one at a time. Knife on, crush it, but don't be afraid. Crush. All right, and then just scatter them on there, and then punch. Put it in. Big one. Put it on. And last one. Add it to your tray. Then sprigs of thyme. You can put rosemary in there as well if you want to. But sprigs of thyme. Pop that all in. Spray it with low-calorie cooking spray. We're going to give this a good mix. And And then probably the easiest way is to get your hands in there, give it a mix up. Just make sure everything is coated. We're going to add our chicken on top. And there. And then we're going to give it one last spray. Get some seasoning on there. Some pepper. And then some salt. Then you want to pop that in the oven for 35 minutes until the peppers have caramelized and the chicken is cooked. And that is it, a really simple and easy chicken tray bake, perfect and really, really quick and simple to make. If you enjoyed this video, please check out other recipe videos on the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.